Let's take a look at how we can use Chat GPT to create a rotating three-dimensional object. To start off, we create a prompt that requests Chat GPT generate a 3D animated object. We indicate that we want to use JavaScript as the programming language to use for the 3D object creation. To make this implementation as easy as possible, we also request that the generated JavaScript code be placed in an HTML wrapper. For this example, we want a rotating disk that has a 3D number placed in the middle of the disk. We also provide some styling information on the disk. We submit our prompt message. Chat GPT generates the JavaScript code. Once the code has been generated, we can copy the code. For our example, we are going to copy the code into a new Notepad file. You could also copy the same code into whatever IDE you prefer for software development. With the code copied to our Notepad text file, we save the file. To view the file in a browser window, we will want to make sure we save the file with a .html extension. We can open the saved file in a Chrome browser window. When we open the file in the browser, we see a blank black screen. We can use the inspect tool to look for errors in the code. We see that there is an error with the three.orbit control call. This error can be fixed by replacing the orbital control source file from three.js with a similar version of the file found on GitHub. We make the replacement and save the file. We refresh the browser and now see the rotating disk with a three-dimensional representation of the number 1 in the center of the disk. Let's add some additional functionality to our rotating object by having the number increment up to 10. We will have the number increment every 2 seconds. We also change the color of the disk to gray. Chat GPT generates the changes to our code. We copy and paste these changes into our Notepad file. We save the changes and refresh the browser. Just like that, we now have a rotating gray disk with the number in the center incrementing up to 10. Hopefully, this short video has shown you how you can use Chat GPT to create dynamic three-dimensional objects. Like and subscribe to view more videos that show other types of three-dimensional objects you can create by simply using Chat GPT.